Make sure you stick around. We're going to be announcing the winner of the Yeti water bottle at the end of this video, or somewhere in between, so keep an eye out. It's going to be one of us anyway, so.
Yeah, it'll probably be me. And I can
No,
sell
it's
it.
going to be me.
I can sell it and fund the rest of this build.
The next giveaway is 2 Yeti water bottles. So.
The next giveaway is actually going to be a Raceworks catch can, thanks to our sponsor, Advanced Motorsport, or Big Guy Performance Parts.
May or may not be cooking up something good, so.
Make sure you stay tuned and keep an eye on what giveaways are happening.
So round 2 of, what was it called?
So it's car culture. Anyway, we're going to a car meet again in Australia. And we'll be catching up with one of our friends, Sam from Otaku Garage, and Loki. So she'll be hanging around there as well. We'll see what cars are there.
Oh, Sam's gonna be there too.
Yeah, so you said
Cool.
we'll have a chat. So Sam will be new to our channel soon. We're gonna buy Otaku Garage. Is that what's happening?
Yeah, we're buying
it.
a Tucker Garage. What? What is a Tucker Garage? It's a garage. Named Otaku.
Oh, it's a pretty good turnout, eh?
Yeah. I'm probably going to get kicked out of this spot, but whatever. You'll have to come find me. I reckon this is the best corner here.
I reckon it's not over though.
It's kind of cool having both the cars here.
Loki did tell us to bring change because there's raffles, but I don't roll like that. I don't know what change is.
Everything's always the same for me. I never have change.
I always just get changed.
Sounds good. Oh my days.
But like that Commodore was doing the skid before that was
shit.
You don't do that. That's how you ruin it for everyone that come out to these car meets. Stop skidding. Keep it in your underpants. The skid marks.
What he said.
Ruben!
It is, right?
My name is Ruben. I've got addiction.
American,
So what you want to do is you want to sneak up on people, you want to put it right in their face and then go bang.
Yeah, rev it.
Alright. Harder, keep going.
Come on.
Is that it?
Cheats.
So what are you selling?
This is the Lokisx table, and that's just a bunch of old school Japanese magazines from like 2000s Japan.
That's pretty
So
cool.
it's got a whole bunch
That's
of
very cool.
It's got like old school wheels, kits, VIP cars, Japanese girlies and stuff.
Yeah, I'll take one of those.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them over there.
I'll take all of them.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Do you skate, Loki?
I try to, yes. I have 2 really nice boards.
True.
But yeah, I take no responsibility for whatever's in them.
You can like.
I see you've highlighted a couple of things in here. I love the carbon bonnet, man.
It really makes it.
This is like the VIP section. They're so cool, eh?
Look
at the
like
exhaust.
You want to see inside?
Yes, please. That'll be so cool. Oh, that's so
You want to jump
cool.
in?
Absolutely, yes.
From a 2J34 to
Is
this.
this a massager?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
No way. This is so cool.
What?
You look so comfortable.
Dude, it's massaging me right now.
Really?
It is massaging me right now.
Oh,
No way.
it just keeps popping out of nowhere.
That is so cool.
Oh, you put your legs through there.
I'm amazed.
Wait, it's like
There you go.
first class on an aeroplane.
What's this one? Just lights? Yeah.
So you can do your makeup.
Oh, this is so comfortable. Oh, thank you. That's awesome.
Cheers for that. Really?
It's so quiet.
Twin turbos.
too.
5 mufflers.
Alright. Imagine if you straight piped it.
We're about to pick the winner. There's all the names in there. We're gonna roll it until I get it. Super KTM 200. Where
You
is
just
he?
want yourself a spaghetti yeti.
What did it? Crazy Carl 42. Congrats, mate. Enjoy.
Well, while we're here, we're actually about to go to Advanced Motorsport, will soon to be Big Eye Performance Parts, and our next giveaway will be a Raceworks catch can.
So we'll be doing that over the course of several videos. Not every comment, but every video you comment on gets you one entry.